I canceled hundreds of dollars a month in software subscriptions and replaced all of it with free AI tools that are honestly just as good. Here are 7 of them. Welcome to AI Edge Lab. Every one of these has a genuinely free tier, no trial that traps you, and each one replaces something people pay real money for. Let's go. 1. Perplexity. It's a free research assistant that answers your questions with real sources and citations. It replaces hours of digging through search results. 2. NotebookLM from Google. Upload your own documents, and it answers only from them, with citations. A free, private research expert on your files. 3. CapCut. A genuinely powerful, free video editor with AI captions, backgrounds, and effects. It replaces editors that cost $20 a month or more. 4. Canva. Its free plan handles posters, social posts, and presentations with AI tools built in. Most people never need the paid design apps at all. 5. Gamma. Describe what you want, and it builds you a full slide deck in seconds. It replaces hours stuck in clunky presentation software. 6. Otter. It records and transcribes your meetings automatically, and the free tier is plenty for most people. No more paying for transcription. 7. ElevenLabs. Turn any text into a natural-sounding voiceover. The free tier is great for videos, audio notes, and accessibility. Add up the paid versions of just these, and you're easily looking at hundreds of dollars a month. The free tiers cover what most people actually need. The honest part, free tiers do have limits, and if you go pro at something, paying can be worth it. But start free. You'll be amazed how far it gets you. Quick win. Pick the one paid app you use most, and try its free AI replacement this week. One swap could save you a subscription on its own. 7 tools, $0. If this saved you some money, follow AI Edge Lab. We find the free AI that actually earns its place every week. See you in the next one.